Coca-Cola, with its unmistakable red label and effervescent taste, has become a global symbol of refreshment and happiness. Beyond just a beverage, the Coca-Cola brand has woven itself into the fabric of our lives. Let's explore 10 things we love about this iconic brand. The Coca-Cola logo is a masterpiece of design simplicity. The bold, flowing script and the iconic contour bottle are instantly recognizable, creating a sense of nostalgia and timelessness that transcends generations. Coca-Cola's secret formula has remained unchanged for over a century, delivering a consistently refreshing taste that has become a universal favorite. The perfect blend of sweetness and carbonation makes every sip a delight. Coca-Cola is more than just a drink, it's a global phenomenon. Found in nearly every corner of the world, Coca-Cola has successfully transcended cultural boundaries, becoming a unifying symbol that brings people together. Coca-Cola has a knack for creating memorable and heartwarming marketing campaigns. From the iconic Share a Coke initiative to the timeless holiday ads featuring the Coca-Cola truck, the brand knows how to connect emotionally with its audience. Coca-Cola has ingrained itself in popular culture, making appearances in movies, music, and art. The brand's presence in various forms of media has contributed to its status as a cultural icon, reflecting and shaping societal trends. Coca-Cola has taken significant strides in promoting environmental sustainability. From water replenishment projects to recycling initiatives, the brand is actively working towards a greener and more sustainable future. While Coca-Cola is synonymous with its classic soda, the brand has diversified its product range to cater to changing consumer preferences. Diet Coke, Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, and a variety of flavored options ensure there's a Coca-Cola product for everyone. Coca-Cola has a strong tradition of community engagement and philanthropy. Through initiatives like the Coca-Cola Foundation, the brand supports education, community development, and disaster relief efforts, showcasing a commitment to social responsibility. Coca-Cola has formed iconic partnerships over the years, from collaborations with renowned artists to sponsorships of major sporting events. These partnerships have further solidified the brand's presence in various aspects of life. Whether it's a birthday, a holiday, or a simple get-together, Coca-Cola has become synonymous with celebrations. The sound of a can opening or the fizz of bubbles in a glass is often the soundtrack to joyous moments, making Coca-Cola an integral part of our happiest memories. Coca-Cola isn't just a beverage, it's a cultural phenomenon that has woven itself into the tapestry of our lives. From its timeless design to its refreshing taste and global impact, there are countless reasons why we continue to love and cherish them. Coca-Cola brand, cheers to the iconic red label that has brought joy to generations. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to see more captivating content like this, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell.